Welcome to Finance Magnates Executive Interviews once more. Thank you for joining us today. We're at the iFX EXPO in Cyprus. This time, I'm joined by Marcus Effland, CEO at 1000 FTADs. Did I say that right?
Yeah, you're pretty good.
What does that stand for? I have to ask.
1000 FTAD stands for 1000 fabulous trades a day.
Fabulous trades a day.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's pretty self-explanatory as to what the company does, but is it a broker? Is it a software?
It's only a software. Yeah, we don't offer financial services. We offer licenses for our software.
Okay.
And the software is trading fully automatically on the forex market.
So it's a trading tool basically for traders. For who is this tool?
Especially for professionals like family offices, asset managers, or companies with their own distribution part. That's especially. Also for high net worth individuals, they can use it through an asset manager we offer, and that's the way. Yeah.
For professionals then?
Yeah.
Okay, and what are some of the advantages that this software has in particular?
Okay, the fully automatically system. We offer 24 currency pairs right now. And with the 54 strategies, depends on the risk style the professional wants. And with the software trading 24/7, and that's it.
A lot of trades on a daily basis?
On a daily basis, yeah.
And does it have like a strategy that is conceived on the back end? Do we set the strategy? How does it work?
Yeah, we use a double grid system for buy and selling trades. And we hedge positions at special points, maybe break of structure or something else. So the risk is always on a minimum side, and the profits are really excitable.
You've mentioned a few, that the software is profitable, that it makes profit. Can I ask you some success stories from your clients?
Yeah, sure. We have the most clients are asset managers and family offices, so they need a special low risk profile in this section, and they expect between 15 to 20% average per year. So that's easy going for the software. Other clients, they want to have more profit with a little bit more risk. And the software will trade between 30 to 50% per year. So we have one account, the Sentinel, that means started in January last year and made a 80% profit right now with a low risk between 5 to 6% drawdown. That's really good, and the customers are very excited with it.
So how does the software work?
The software trades a lot of trades all the time, 24 hours. So selling trades, also buy trades all the time, and we will hedge at some points, breaking structure as an example, and the whole positions, the whole exposure is hedged. So the safety is always in control, and with a lot of small trades, they're doing the profits.
Can I ask, is it day trades? Is it longer positions?
Also day trades, yeah. Right, day trades, and mostly 2 to 4 days. Some trades are 2-3 months in the software, so they execute them later.
Okay, and who is the audience for this kind of tool? You mentioned right before that it was for institutional clients or for professionals. Like, can it be individuals? Can I trade?
Mostly we have professional traders, family offices, asset managers, also companies which have a own distribution, finance distribution part, and high net worth individuals. So we offer the software also through our asset managers to clients, to private clients, and they make a asset management agreement with them, and then they trade for the customer. Yeah.
Okay, so you provide the software, the tool that it helps them to trade.
Right.
How is your automated trading tool different from others in the market?
There's a lot of trading modules all over the world.
Yeah,
I tested 800 of them by myself because I was looking for a software solution for myself, and I didn't find anything what matches with my quality request. So I traded by I built it by my own, like Ferdinand Porsche. I didn't find what I liked, so I built it by my own.
So you
and
created
so,
it.
1000 FTAD became reality.
And it is 1,000 trades
Yeah, we
per
have
day.
accounts. There are
Fantastic
a lot
trade
of trades.
ideas per day. It's
Yeah.
like I can't get over the name.
Yeah. We found it funny. So
Yeah.
everybody who's asking, what does it mean, 1000
Yeah.
FTAD? And when I say 1,000 fabulous trades a day, that's I can remember.
And how does the risk management part play a role within the software?
Yeah,
I mean, you mentioned that some clients are more risk prone, others more risk averse.
Yes. In a big size account, there are multiple currencies trading, and each currency has a part of 1 to maximum 5% of the whole account.
Okay.
It depends on the risk style the professional user wants.
Yeah.
And so we use multiple currency pairs to manage the risk management. Also, we have a lot of hedging trades for higher positions or high volatile positions. And so the risk management is always on the lower side.
Because you mentioned some of the returns are 80%. In some cases that they have been managed to get to 80%, that means that the risk must have been pretty high.
Yeah, it's high. Yeah. But yeah, that's the reality. That's
the risk
what it is.
appetite of each person, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it depends. So how does the onboarding look like, for example, for somebody to be a client or to start using your tool?
If a professional client will use the software, we get in touch with them. We define exactly what the risk management will be. So we build the software exactly for their measurements, and then we make a license agreement, and we start the software with its own server. It's pretty easy.
Are you connected to platforms or to brokerages for liquidity, or is that on the side of the client? Do they sort it out by themselves?
The client can bring the broker also, but we have a few brokers we will offer, and the client can use them.
And is there any specific market trends that you find relevant when it comes to 1,000 FTADs?
Okay. The software loves volatility.
Oh yeah.
So we have to take care of gaps and higher spreads. So we have exclusive rules in the software, what the software has to do in a case of such events. But high volatility is very nice for the software, so the software can make a lot of trades and make a lot of profits.
So it's very well suited for these kind of things.
Right.
So things like, for example, when stock, not a stock because we're talking about currencies, right? But the equivalent would be if a stock crashes, then that would be the entry point.
Yeah.
Buy all in.
Yeah, sure. But there, before it crashes, there's a break of structure. So the software will hedge automatically the positions, and you don't have to worry.
Managing the risk properly.
Yeah.
That's very nice. So what does the future look like for the company? What do you foresee?
Yeah, we see us in the next 5 to 7 years as a favorite offer for automatically trading systems for professionals, and also for the retail clients from 26 on.
So you will be opening these for retail, for any kind of individual. What is the portfolio size that they need to have, for example? What are the different type of accounts? You were mentioning big accounts and things like that. What are the numbers we're talking about?
Okay, we start with a 300,000 euro, US dollar, British pound, whatever. And for the retail client, we plan 5,000 size maximum or minimum.
Okay. And if anybody would want to get in touch with you, with the company, in order to explore the tool further, how do they do that?
Yeah, very easy. We have a website, and also we are on social media, so get in touch with us. Our team is very comfortable. And,
1,000 FTAD, 1,000 is with numbers, right? It's
yes,
not
right. 1,000 FTAD.ch is the website. Yeah.
Perfect. I'm sure that there will be quite some interest.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Marcus. It has been a great pleasure to speak with you.
Yeah, it was
Thank
a
you,
great
everybody.
pleasure for me.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. See you in the next one.